Alright, so in this video, we are going to create an elevator pit using structural walls and a slab. Okay, so as you can see here, I have detail lines here to indicate the twin elevator locations. Okay, so and also there's a CAD file here, which is this one. So there's the CAD file. Let's say that is from the architectural model that shows us the elevator. So I'm just going to hide it by selecting the CAD file, right clicking, and hide in view elements. Okay, so now from the project browser, I'm gonna open as well the elevator pit section. Okay, so I have the elevator pit plan and then the section. And also, I'm gonna open the 3D view. So I'm gonna select this icon here to open up the 3D view. And I'm going to tilt it. So as you can see, there's an opening here. So this is where we are going to create our elevator pit. Okay? So I'm going to select the style views here so I can see all the view. Okay? The floor plan, the section, and then the 3D view. Okay. All right. So let me just zoom in there. We are going to create a slab edge. Okay. So I'm going to do it here on my floor plan. So to create a slab edge, I just need to go to the structure. And then after that, foundation. So there's the slab edge, floor slab edge. Just click that. And then after that, just hover your pointer to one edge of your line here. And then after that, press tab. And as you can see, it will highlight all the lines. So once you see it highlights, just click that to place your slab edge. And there you go. So there's your slab edge. There's your slab edge. Okay, so I just need to select here, modify. And then as you can see here, there's a hidden line that represents the slab edge in our elevator pit plan. Okay. Okay, so now the next thing that we'll be doing, let's add a wall foundation. Okay, so I'm just going to select here wall structural. So let's select this. And then from the properties, I will be selecting here 300 concrete. Okay, so foundation 300 concrete. And then I'm gonna change here the location line. So instead of wall center line, I can change it here from the options bar, and also I can change it here from the properties. So I can click that, click the drop down arrow, and then after that I'll be selecting here finish face interior. Okay, so I just select this one. And then for the base constraint, I'm gonna make sure this is first floor, and then I'm gonna put an base offset distance of minus 1200. And then for the top constraint, still first floor, but I'm gonna put a top offset of minus 300. Okay, so once that's done, I'm now ready to use the draw tool here. I'm gonna use rectangle here. And then I'm going to create now my foundation, wall foundation. So I'm gonna click here, 1, and then I'm gonna click here, 2. And there you go. So there's our wall foundation. Okay, so we just need to close our elevator pit here. Okay, so we will be using there a slab. Okay, right. So let us do this. So I'm going to select my slab, structural foundation slab. Okay, and then from the type properties, I'm going to use this 1300 concrete. And then for the level, I want to put that on the first floor, but I want to put a height offset of minus 1200 so that it will be placed at the bottom here. Okay. All right, and then what else? So I'll be using the peak walls here, and then I want to add an offset of 300 millimeters, 300, and let me just hover my pointer, and then after that press tab. Okay, just move your pointer to the edge of the wall, and then press tab. And then as you can see, again, it highlights all the connection of walls. So once you see it highlights, just click that. Okay, so there's now the outline of the floor. Modify, and then after that, finish it. There you go. Okay, and then I'll just select here no. I don't need to load a span direction symbol. And there you go. So we just created our elevator pit. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.